Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fake location. To get started, let's open Bumble app. Make sure your Bumble app is installed on your mobile device. Now in the home page you can see many icons. Here go to your profile icon as shown here. It will navigate you to the profile page. Here in the top right corner you can see setting icon. Tap on it. Now it will navigate you to this interface. Here search for current location as shown here. Now tap on it. Now click on use travel mode. As you click on it, it will navigate you to this interface. Here, search for the location you want to fake. So for now, let's search Dhaba. So in this way, you can fake location on Bumble app. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.